In this video, I'm going to solve factorizing quadratics where the coefficient of x squared is not 1. So take a look 1a. So we got 1a here, 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. So this is gonna be as a, b, and c. To find the two numbers, we need to find the product of AC, so A times C equal 2, and then the sum of B equal to 3. Okay, we'll draw the table. This is the trick that you can use. As the A, 2x, we'll write it as 2x here, 2x squared. And the last is C1, so we'll write it 1. We need to find the two numbers. When we addition is gonna be 3, and when we times gonna be 2. So the two number is 2 and 1. As 2 times 1 equal 2 and 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So we can write 2 and 1. Then just find the highest common factor of each. So this table we will find it 2x and 2. The highest common factor is 2. 1 and 1, the highest common factor is 1. From here, need to add x. So this is 2x. From here is only x. From here is 1. So we got it for a1. Here is the factor. So we got 2x plus 1 and x plus 1. Let us try again. B. So 1b here. So we got 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. So this is A, B, and C. So we need to find the product of AC. So 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. Then the sum of B, which is 5. Okay, we can make it the table here. Write the table. So we know the A is 3x squared, so we write it here, 3x squared. And here is minus 2. So we need to find these two numbers. Coefficient of x and x. So when we times equal to minus 6. However, when we addition is gonna be 5. So we will get as minus 1 and 5. When we multiply it, here 6. When we multiply equal to minus 6. When we plus, addition is gonna be 5. So we can write here minus 1 and 6. Okay, find the highest common factor of each. So 3x squared and minus x. The highest common factor is gonna be x. 3 and here is gonna be 3x. Minus is gonna be minus 1. 6x squared with minus 1, the highest common factor is 2. So we get it, these two factor, x plus 2 and x minus 1, 3x minus 1. We can check it to make sure. So 3x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. So 3x times x is going to be 3x squared. 3x times 2 is going to be plus 6x. Minus 1 with x is going to be minus x. Minus 1 with 2 is minus 2. It's going to be 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. There it is. So the factor is 3x minus 1 and x plus 2. Okay, we'll do something for C. So this is C. So you got 5y squared plus 9y, and we minus by 2. So this is as A, B, and C. So we need to find two numbers that when we multiply, it's gonna be minus 10. However, when we addition, it's gonna be 9. So what is that two number? So we need to find it. So first let us make a table. Okay, so first 5y squared, we will write it here, and minus 2. So the two number, when we addition, it's gonna be 9. However, when we multiply, it's gonna be minus 10. Is minus 1 and 10. The products gonna be minus 10. The sum is gonna be 9. Okay, we got it, minus 1 and 10. Okay, let us find the highest common factor of each. So 5y squared is y, need to be y. It's gonna be y. 10y and minus 2 is 5. Here it's gonna be 5y. It's gonna be minus 1. It's not 5, it's 2. The highest common factor of 10y and minus 2, which is 2. So we got it here. 5y minus 1 and y plus 2. Okay, let's continue for D. Yeah, they need more space. So let us leave it up. Okay, D. We got 5y squared minus 8y plus by 3. So this is A, B, and C. So the product is 5 times 3 is 15, while the sum is B minus 8. So let us make it a table first. So here is the table. So we will write first term here, 5y squared, and the last term 3. So it's gonna be y and y. We need to find the number. When we product equal to 15, however, when we addition, it's gonna be minus 8. So we'll get as minus 5 and 3. The product is 15, the sum is minus 8. So we got minus 5 here, and minus 3 is here. Okay, let's proceed. So the highest common factor of 5y squared and 5y is gonna be 5y. Here is 3y is gonna be 3. Five y is gonna be y. Here is 1. So we can make it as minus here, minus. So we got the factor is 5, y minus 3, and y minus 1. Let's proceed for E. We got 6x squared plus 7x minus 5. Okay, this is A, B, and C. So the product to be AC, 6 times minus 5 equal to minus 30. And the sum is B, which is 7. So let's make it a table. So the first term is 6x squared, last term is minus 5. Then we need to find the two number. The product is minus 30, and the sum is 7. So what is that number? We need to find it. So 5 times 6. Yeah, let's check it. 15 and 2. No, it's not possible. So let's make it. The sum is 7. What could be? So let's make it list. So 30 and 1. No, 15 and 2. We cannot. Yeah, we can make it 10 and 3. So 10 and minus 3. So we'll got 10 here, 10x and minus 3x. Let us find the highest common factor. So from here we got 2x. Here is minus 1. Here we will got 3x and here is 5. Okay, we got it for E. So the E is 3x plus 5 and 2x minus 1. Okay, let's check it for F. So we got 12x squared minus x and minus 6. This is A, B, C. So we need to find the product of AC. So we got minus 16. Here minus 6. We multiply it with 12. So the product need to be minus 72. While the sum is B, minus 1. Let's write the table. So the first term we will write 12x squared is going to be x and x is minus 6. So we need to find the two number. Here's some. When we addition it's going to be minus 1. However, when we multiply it's going to be 72. So first let us make it list to make it easier. So 72 will be with 1 and then 72 36 and 2. No, 72 with 24 and 3 is too far. Let's try 72. Okay, 18 and 4. No, 72. Let's try 72 with 6, 12 and 6. Now we cannot make it minus 1. So let's try 72 with 8. So to make it 72, okay, 72. What could be the two number when we multiply it equal to minus 72? When we addition, it's gonna be minus 1. So let us take a look here. 72. There it is. 8 and 9. It's 8 times 9 is gonna be 72. So here is the minus. So we can make it minus 9 and 8. Okay, let's find the highest common factor of 12x squared and 9x. So the x common. So 12 and 9 is 3. From here is 2. Here is 4x. And from here we got minus 3. Okay, here are the factor. So I write it 3x plus 2 and 4x minus 3. Okay, there it is. I will continue for the next part. Thank you.